To redeem a Google gift card, start by accessing the Play Store. Once you're there, you'll see the interface, and your first step will be to tap on the profile icon, located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, select the Payments and Subscriptions option, which can be found below Notifications and Offers. In this section, you'll find various options, including the Redeem Code option. Tap on this. You'll then have two choices. You can either scan your gift card using the scanner, which will open up when you select the Scan Gift Card option, or you can manually enter the code and tap Redeem. If you choose to scan the card, simply scan the gift card number and tap Redeem to complete the process. If you prefer to enter the code, just make sure to remember it correctly. Type it in and tap Redeem. Either way, your gift card will be redeemed. And that's all there is to it.